Shopify settings. In this lecture, we will take a quick look at the general settings in the Shopify dashboard. Click on the left on the bottom on settings. Okay, once we are there, I want to click on general and we're gonna cover all those things here, right over here. We're gonna cover it step by step. So I click on general and here you can enter your store name. This is what people see if they enter your domain. So and here you can enter your administration email. You log in with this email, and right over here you can enter your legit business name. Is not required, but you can do it. I don't gonna give them a phone number because that's too much. So yeah, and here you can select your state, and right over here you can select your time zone, and here you're white. Okay, and here you can use store currency. That's really important if you have euros. I have euros, for example, because I live in Europe. And yeah, you can also enter a different store currency like dollar or something else, or pound. So that was it for this lecture. So I hope I will see you in my next lecture. Payment providers. In this lecture we will talk about payment providers. And click on payment providers. Okay, there we go. Okay, you wait. Okay, this is your custom checkout. People can check out with PayPal Express, and yeah, that's the default mode. So your store accepts PayPal payments with PayPal Express checkout. So I'm gonna click on this button, this edit button right over here, and let's edit it. Click on edit, and I will accept credit cards. So you can select your provider. Stripe is really popular in my country. Everyone uses Stripe. I don't know what it is for your country, but feel free to look around a little bit. So you can choose for different payments checkouts. So that's great. So okay, and you can also yeah, I select Stripe right now, and I will wait. Okay, once we are there, I want to show you that you can also select Amazon Pay by clicking on the activate button, and you can also select alternative payments like BitPay or GoCoin. Okay, don't worry if you don't know what it is. I'm gonna explain everything step by step. So in the next lecture we will go checkout settings. In this lecture I will show you the checkout settings. Navigate then to the checkout button right over there, to the checkout option, and I will click on it, and I will wait.